Good morning, students. Today we'll take again continue the lesson 6, human body, the nervous system. And in the previous class, and this is for class 7th, and in previous class I explained you about the different kinds of receptors as well as effector organs. Receptor organs, as I told you, they are the organs which receive, there are 5 receptors in our body. Eyes receive light, ears receive sound, tongue receive taste, skin receive heat, cold, other, and nose receive smell. So these are the receptor organs, and effector organs are those muscles and glands which react according to which whatever the receptors receive, and the reactions which takes place or the response which takes place in the muscles and the gland, they are called the effector organs. And today we'll take about the eyes especially. So you all know eyes is for seeing, that is sight. It helps in the to see the things around us. And when we study the structure of the eye is made up of 3 parts or 3 layers, we can say. First one is the outer sclera, second is middle choroid, and third is inner retina. So in brief, I want to explain what is this sclera, choroid or retina, and what are the functions. So first of all, in outer sclera, this is opaque, white, tough and fibrous protective coat of the eyes. So these outer sclera means eyes covered with the protective or opaque, white, tough, fibrous structure, which is called the outer sclera. Second is the middle choroid. It is a pigmented layer, and this choroid is supplied with the blood vessels, and blood vessels provide nourishment to the eye. So that is the main function of the choroid. And the third one is the inner retina, and this inner retina is the light sensitive part of the cells, and these contains, mostly retina contains rods and cones. And the main function of rods and cones is that the rods, they are mostly responsible for the night vision, and cones, they are mostly responsible for the color vision. Means whatever the color we detect, that is due to the cones, and the night vision is detected by these rods are responsible for the night vision. So this is about inner retina. Now there are 2 chambers are also present on the inner side of the eyes, on the other side of the eyes. Sorry. So first one is the aqueous chamber, and second is the vitreous chamber. Aqueous chamber is always present in front of the lens, and vitreous chamber, they are present behind. So these aqueous chamber, they are filled with some aqueous humor. What is actually aqueous humor? It is a watery fluid which nourishes cornea and the lens. And this second one is the vitreous chamber, which is present behind the lens, and this contains vitreous humor. It is also a jelly-like liquid which gives shape to the eyeball and also transmit light to the retina. So that is the main function of the aqueous humor and the vitreous humor, which are present in the aqueous chamber and the vitreous chamber. Now, as you all know, function of the eyes, we all know about that eyes help to see the things around us and our surroundings. And the rods and cones, which are they are also called the photoreceptor organs because they receive the light. So these cells, they contain rods and cones. These are the photoreceptor cells, and already I told you, rods are responsible for night vision, and cones are responsible for color vision. Now this is in short brief description of the structure of the eyes, and another I want to discuss in short, and remaining part I will discuss in the next class about ear. Ear is the also the receptor organs which are responsible for hearing the sound. Not only this, it also helps in maintaining the body balance. And the ear is mostly consists of 3 parts: outer ear, middle ear, and the inner ear. So structure of outer ear, middle ear, and the inner ear, that I will discuss in the next class. What are their functions? Up to today only you draw the structure of the eyes and try to understand the what are the different parts of the eyes and the function of the eyes. Thank you.